Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Cub Cadet Ultima ZT3 60-inch zero-turn mower. Cub Cadet came out with a ZT1, ZT2 Ultima series last year. They were wildly successful. So what they did is they enhanced the line with the ZT3. So they took the proven ZT2 platform, which kind of walked through some of those features. You know, the tube frame for structural strength, nice wide open platform for getting on and off. You notice the big cushion grips that are fully adjustable. Electric PTO clutch to engage your mower. Nice control panel tilted forward so it's easier to see than the flat platforms. Nice feature to just a dial height of cut. Just turn your knob, it tells you what height you are right there. So that's kind of the features of the ZT2. And then what they did in the ZT3 is they upgraded the transmission to the ZT3100 transmissions. ZT3100s are going to give you even more durability over the 2800s. A little larger drive tire to give you up to 7.5 mile/hour mow speed. So exceptional performance. And also upgraded the engine. So the other ZT2 has the Kawasaki, but it's the FR series. This moves up to the FS series, which has some improvements. The key one being a heavier duty, better air filtration system. But they added some nice comfort features. You notice a much higher back seat. This is a 24-inch high back seat. Gives you more comfort, especially for a taller operator, but for anybody, you get more support with the taller seat. But the big feature would be the spring up on the caster wheel. So what that does, that's a heavy spring, and as you're going across rough terrain, that helps absorb some of those bumps. So instead of taking it up into the platform, it absorbs it in that caster wheel spring. And it also helps limit some of the vibration coming back to the operator. So it's kind of a nice enhancement, especially as you're starting to mow at those higher 7.5 mile/hour speeds. That'll help give the operator a little more comfortable ride. So it's really a great step up with moving up to the ZT3 with the ZT2, but still a nice compact platforms for a 60-inch machine. I think Cub just hit another home run with this one. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz.